Change is inevitable. Rapid changes in the lives of farmers brings smiles on their faces. This is what is termed as dream come true. Changes in the farm sector must ensure good price for crops, increase the source of revenue of the farmers from crops and crop residues that provides raw material for the value-added commercial products. The Mohali-based Institute of Repute Center of Innovative and Applied Bioprocessing, better known as CIAB, has made all these possible in recent years. It is the only institution in the country that primarily does in-depth research on secondary agriculture produce and develops high-utility products from bioresources, which can substantially increase the income of farmers. Large part of this income generated from unorthodox secondary agriculture resources is aimed at helping the government to achieve the target of doubling the income of farmers. Stubble burning is one of the major reasons of pollution in North India during the winters. Research programs aimed at utilizing the stubble for producing environment-friendly energy products that not only help the farmers to earn additional revenue, but also help in reducing stubble burning, resulting in massive reduction in air pollution. This premier scientific institute utilizes secondary agriculture produce in which testing, validation, translation, innovation, improvement, testing of bioprocessing approaches related to agri-food or agri-masses are included and integrated. CIAB also does research to develop innovative systems on product development. It has launched several research programs aimed at achieving the goal, making food products by improving primary processing residues or wastes, evaluating crop waste and making special products and chemicals from them, enhancing the quality of primary and secondary processing byproducts required for nutrition, developing biosynthetic technology for low volume and high quality products and industrial enzymes. CIAB has developed a variety of processes for making products from agricultural waste, and in that process it has licensed 4 new technologies. The process of developing tomato-based seasoning, spice mixes and drinks, iron-fortified turmeric as a high-quality product to improve iron nutrition. The process of producing D-Psychose, a low-calorie sugar from biomass, and preparation and manufacturing of a liquid whey beverage product called CIAB Navita for industries. The institute has developed several other such technologies which have viable commercial options, which has put the institute into a league ahead of its contemporaries. Working in collaboration with institutions across the country, many important research programs have been started for the sustainable development of the farmers and industries. CIAB is working with the Punjab State Council for Science and Technology, Chandigarh, and National Agri-Food Biotechnology Institute and Punjab University, Chandigarh on a major project named Establishment of Secondary Agricultural Food Processing Entrepreneurial Network in Punjab. The focus is to upscale the technology for tomato byproducts and whey-based products. CIAB is making all the efforts to encourage startups and entrepreneurs. CIAB has collaborated with the Punjab State Council for Science and Technology, Chandigarh, to establish Centre for Rural Biotech Innovation and Application Centre in Kandy region of Punjab. Primary effort of the institute is to develop pilot facility to produce pectin, citrate and oil from natural resources like hill lemon of Kandy region. CIAB has participated in an Indo-UK project development and optimization of new produce supply chains and storage systems in India, funded by the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. This institute is playing a critical role in adopting the feasibility of storage system based on the advanced technology of UK partners for fresh produce at Sangha Farm in Jalandhar. The institute has participated in another Indo-UK project funded by the Department of Biotechnology titled Increased Rice Milling of Indian Rice Products and its Maximum Value Addition. In this program, a cool milling-based technology of UK partners has been made functional for rice milling at Rajdhani Rice Gram Udyog Samiti, Samana in Punjab. This machine is based on green technology that requires less space, less electricity, produces less broken rice, better milling efficiency, and producing more nutritious bran. SIAB has initiated a major flagship research program on the use of rice residues for the development of products such as xylose, xylitol, lactic acid, and levulinic acid. It has initiated another important project in collaboration with BioIndev AB, Sweden, on the development and validation of technology for the production of high energy density biocoal from rice straw and other agro biomass. SIAB has taken the initiative to establish nutraceutical facilities for the development, validation and business of nutritional products. SIAB is not only an institute for scientific research that helps increasing the earnings of the farming community, but has developed itself over the years as the pioneer in commercializing the technology for the benefit of the humanity.